Once your account is ready, you want to work on your library. You have three tabs: Cloud, Device, and Recommended. The book under the Cloud tab syncs across your devices. You can filter them to focus on specific types of books. At the moment, I want to start downloading my Bibles. In your library, you can also remove books you don't want. Now I'm able to see the Bibles on my phone, and I can access them offline because I have downloaded them. When you have nothing in your library, you can check out the Recommended tab. This has books and resources that you can download for free or buy. For more resources, you can go to the store in the app. Here, you can shop all kinds of resources: Bibles, audio Bibles, study tools, etc. For now, let's focus on the Bibles. Any resource that is ready for download is either free or you already bought it. When you've already downloaded it, it is ready for opening. Now, back in the app's workspace, our ESV Bible is no longer available because we offloaded it. We now need to find another Bible that we can use. In the library, you can also check out your notifications. Under the three dots icon, you can change how you view your documents. At the moment, we're using thumbnails, but you can view them as a list instead. Library settings has a few options. That allow automatic resource download. I always have this turned off because I don't always want the same resources on all my devices. I use the Olive Tree Bible app on my phone, iPad, and computer, and each has different resources. That is why I turn this off. You can also turn on cellular data usage. Even though we offloaded the ESV Bible, we can still see it in the library. It is available for download. Hiding items means you have fewer resources to sieve through. So, under the three dots icon, you can hide them. You can also long press the resource you want to hide. Bringing them back is quite easy. The last tidying up for your documents comes by sorting them according to title, author, or recent. Recent makes sure you quickly find what you're working on, so that's the one we'll use.